So the Lord was showing me that he was restoring the order back into the house. He was restoring family. And I just have a quick testimony on that. I'm a single mom with a 7-year-old son. And the Lord began to shift my perspective as I was raising him, because it was hard. I'm like, Lord, he doesn't have a father. And he said, what are you talking about? I am his father. I am his father. And so now as I begin to live my life and walk out my life with the Lord, I incorporate Jesus. I'm like, every time I drop him off at school, I'm like, Mama loves you and Papa loves you too. And I don't know, but I just felt like I needed to share that, because it doesn't matter if you're single or if you're married. The Lord can restore family, and we have to shift our perspective on what it looked like sometimes, because as a mother and as a woman that's single and don't have a husband or whatever, you know, for a minute there, it was a struggle, because I'm like, I just don't want him to grow up without a dad. And he showed me he's not growing up without a father.